Does your desk look like this? Then you need this. The Master Painter Paint Rack. The Master Painter is designed for all hobbyists, tabletop gamers, 3D makers, and painters. The idea behind this project is to create a customizable paint rack that you can assemble like Lego or other building blocks. To make it easier for everyone with a 3D printer, the design goal was to make it printable without any supports and strong enough so that it doesn't break, even with cheap PLA material. The Master Painter is the result of all this and can be much more. I aim to make it the most advanced and best paint rack or paint shelf on the market. Shown parts are already designed and test printed, to be sure that the project is successful. All common paint bottles, brushes and more can be stored in the Master Painter. Are you interested? Then support it on Gamefound. From March 1st to April 1st. Be one of the first to get the best price.